Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. What an amazing, awesome day. I want to welcome you back to the Family Reset Daily Steps to Strength and Unity. So today, let's talk about something every family faces at some point. It's adversity. So we're down day 28, the power of overcoming adversity. Challenges will come, but how we handle them defines us. James 1, 2, and 3 says, "Consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance. Families grow stronger when they face adversity together, not apart. Tough times can either divide us or deepen the bond." So today I challenge you to think about the challenges your family is facing instead of letting it cause divisions. Talk about it, pray about it, and decide together how to push through. Encouragement, faith, and teamwork make all the difference. Adversity is not the end, it's an opportunity for growth. Let's reset by standing together through life's challenges. Hey, we'll see you tomorrow for another step towards strength and unity. And just remember, without adversity, we don't get the joy that God lets us have every single day. But we have to know the difference. So get through it, do it as a team, do it as a family, and we will talk to you tomorrow.